If you want to close your Postmates account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Postmates app. Launch the Postmates app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the app. From the menu, select Account or Settings. Step 3. Find Account Deactivation option. Scroll through the account settings until you find the option for Deactivate Account or Close Account. This option may be located under a section related to account management. Step 4. Follow the prompts. Once you select the deactivation option, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to provide a reason for closing your account and to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the prompts, confirm that you want to close your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully closed. After following these steps, your Postmates account will be deactivated. If you have any issues or need further assistance, consider reaching out to Postmates customer support for help.